morning and welcome here again to the Big Kaiser Academy. I'm Alan, one of the product managers. Very often we get asked what is the difference between our collets, and especially what is the difference between our normal NBC collet and the E version, NBC-E. As you see here, the lengths are a bit different. And mainly that is because this, the longer one, the NBC-E, has more gripping force, more transferable force, and is a little bit more precise because of the longer holding in the bore. The normal one, this one, the NBC one, is slotted. You see, much more slots than in this one. And that's why here we have in most types 0.5 millimeter of compressibility. So you can, in a 12, you can put in a 11.5. This one only clamps, so this one only clamps nominal. Price is very similar, so also that doesn't really matter. I always would prefer the NBC-E. Alright, that was it from the Big Kaiser Academy. Thank you very much and see you soon.